welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're brand new. I missed last week because I was on a very short vacation. So I'm going to jump into a really quick haul because I do want to put out a video this week, but it's going to be super fast, okay? So I found some more of these Minion toys. So I grabbed some more because they make great Christmas presents. And I got a couple of each. I hope the lighting's okay because, you know, it is later in the day. Grabbed another one of these ones. Wait, did I have this one? I don't think I have this one. So I guess he swings these. What does it say? Oh, nunchuck swinging. I don't think I had that one. I don't know. You guys know. I got a Jeep. This is the Imaginext toys. And I don't think I had that one. I don't know. Can't remember. I grabbed some of these color changing, Barbie color changing blind bag, whatever you call them, blind package eggs. I got the pink one. I got the yellow one. And I got the lavender. I think there is a blue as well, but I didn't get that one for whatever reason. What's this? Oh, okay, I'll save that. Got some more of the brow gel. I keep buying this because I love it. So that's that stuff. Really quickly, let's get into this fall stuff. And I found some amazing things. I've got the fox tags. I've got the squirrel tags, chalkboard tags, and the turkeys. Oh, I've got some of these pumpkins, the fabric ones that have the little tags. This one says thankful. These are really cute. They're small, but they have this really cute pattern on them. And I got that one, and then I got this style that says, oh, that one says thankful too. Do they all say thankful? I guess so. Got that one. And I got a bunch of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for doing DIYs. Aren't these adorable? I love these little candy corn picks. They're pretty big too. So I picked those up, and then I grabbed a bunch of these. These picks are so cool, and you can just take them right off of here if you don't want them on there. I got that one. I did not get all of those ones. And then this one. There might be more. I don't know. I grabbed a lot of stuff. Then I found those sweater pumpkins, and I picked up, oh, I did grab another one. Here, let me show you. This natural colored one. Well, this one's natural too, but this one's a little darker. Those are so pretty. So here's the sweater pumpkins, the orange. These are so nice, and I already know what I'm going to do with these. Then the pink ones, I grabbed all that they had because I want to make something out of these. So 1, 2, and then here's some of the cream colored ones, and I think I got 3 of each. I think. Oh no, I got more. I got 4 of these ones, and then I got, I think, only 3 of the pink pumpkin. Yeah. And then I just love these, you guys. These are so Nightmare Before Christmas to me. They just give me those vibes so much. So there's those. And then these leather little pumpkin clips. I only bought the dark brown leather ones because I don't even know if I'll use these, but I just like them. And then I got these little acorn I don't know what they are. They're like scatter, I guess you would call them. They did not have those last year. Those are new. There are a lot of new things, you guys. I'm pretty excited about everything. Then these little candle holders. I don't know. What do you call these? They had them in green and they had them in orange, but I went ahead and just got this white or off-white color. I bought 2 of those. One for me, one for Savannah. Let's see what else. Here's some more fall stuff. I love this. Pumpkin Kiss and Harvest Wishes. They should have put Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. Pumpkin Kiss and Harvest Wishes. I just noticed that, but I just liked it because it was pink. And if you look at it from the side, again, these things are always a little warped, but I don't know if I can straighten that out. These are not the best quality. Still, I picked it up. Then this pumpkin pie. These are so cute. And then the apple pie. And I believe this will be it for me for fall. Let's hope. Because definitely, sorry guys. I have a couple of Halloween things and then 2 more fall things that I wanted to show you. So they have these little pie, ceramic pie, mini pie dishes with all different designs on them. This one says leaves are falling, autumn is calling. So I got that one. And then I also picked up the little bread basket. I'll show you that. It's so cute. Look at this. Gather. Love that. I want to get some more of those. I wish I would have got like 2 more, but I didn't. So Halloween. I've got these Halloween foam roses, and there's orange, white, black, and purple. And they don't just have to be used for Halloween, but it's hard to find the foam roses, so I went ahead and grabbed those. I grabbed 2 of these because I thought they were so cute. So I picked up, hold on. Yikes. Off you go. So these are motion activated, so I suspect that if you leave it hanging somewhere and you just walk into the room. Hope it's not too noisy in here, you guys. I have the AC going, and it is a little bit on the noisy side, but it's so hot. So yeah, I got 2 of those. And then I also grabbed, and these are probably about 10 inches, I would assume. I grabbed these for Savannah because she really wanted them. Let me just show you. I didn't even check these. Okay, there's the ghost. These are cute. Here is the pumpkin. These are really cute, I have to admit. And here's the skeleton. Let me show you that one a little bit better. That one's really scary. And then here's another skeleton, a little different than that one. So let me see if I can get them all held up for you. Let's see what I can do here. If I can balance, do the balancing act. Look at those. Those are really cute, and you could even just glue them all together so you have like this frame. So much you can do with these, you guys. All right, get those out of the way. Okay, last couple of things. I thought this was amazing. They have this "Yes, we're open" sign, and then "Close, will return. Please call again." It's even got the little chain. And I've never seen these before. This is by Jot. So, super cool. And I can use that at my business. And I grabbed one of these little door stops. I picked up, I picked up one of those little foxes. And you know what? I believe I saw the same exact one, I think, at 99-cent store. It looked almost identical to this, but I didn't have this one there to compare it, but super cute. Love that. That's a fall item, yes. One of these little water bottles, and those went really fast, so this is the only one I found, is the Paw Patrol. And I got this one for my niece because she was looking everywhere for them and never could find them. Now Target Dollar Spot does sell these for, I believe, you get 2 in there for $3, so not too much more. And then I grabbed all of these folders. This one is so cute with the little smiley faces. 2 pocket folders, and they already have, yeah, they do already have the, you don't have to do the hole punch, so that you can put them right into your binder. And then these ones aren't, but you can still hole punch those if you do want to put them into a bigger binder. And then I got this pretty mint color, and this one's a little different because it has a section in the middle, and this is a poly portfolio. And then I got this lavender one. I had picked up pink ones a few weeks back that are just the regular, you know, little pocket folders. And I have like a couple of things left. Oh, these foamy soaps with Minnie Mouse. I picked those up to go in the studio because, you know, I teach dance to kids, and so they love this kind of stuff. It does not, by what I remember, smell all that great. It's sealed, so I can't tell, but there's that one, and this one, and another one of these little index card holders, because we are using these for our student quick files, you know, just when we have to like find a child's card quickly. We have that. We also have, of course, all the digital files. These, I was disappointed because I bought one of these at the Target Dollar Spot. They are just little pocket chart schedulers, and I paid like $5 for it, and $1.25, $1.25. These are where our kids are going to keep their little dance cards, progress cards. So when they come into class, we will have them in there for them, and when we get ready to work on a step or something on their little progress chart, we will have them grab their card so that we can put a star on it or even a stamp. And that is the haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today. Please hit the subscribe button below and join me every week because I do have different types of hauls, and I will also try to put up my Target Dollar Spot walkthrough as well next week. And you guys give me a like because it does help my channel to grow. Until the next time I see y'all, stay hopeful, stay positive, and always stay kind, because that one is the most important. And until I see you again, bye you guys.